This is My Path to Neuropsychology by Isaac Ingram. So what is neuropsychology? Neuropsychology is the study of the structure and function of the brain as they relate to specific psychological processes and behaviors. Neuropsychologists study how the brain and the nervous system influence the rest of the body. Typically, they deal with injuries and illnesses and how they affect cognitive functions and behaviors. Education required. To become a neuropsychologist, you must first obtain your bachelor's degree in either psychology, biology, pre-med, or neuroscience. Following that, you must then attend graduate school and receive your master's degree. Only a handful of neuropsychologists can begin their career after attaining their master's. However, most of them will continue on to get their doctoral degree. With this knowledge, it helps me put into perspective the amount of work and dedication I will have to put into my major so that I can enter into graduate school so that I may receive further education. My reasons for choosing psychology. For as long as I can remember, I have always found joy in helping others with their problems, whatever they may be. I was diagnosed with severe depression and anxiety along with some other mental illnesses about 6 years ago, and that has only increased my drive to help others. When I figured out about psychology and what those who are in this field of practice do, I knew that that was meant for me. I know that it will be a long and hard road to achieve the goals that I have for myself, but with the determination that I have and the love I have for others, I do believe that the journey will be well worth it. Comparing my reasons to Chapter 13. Psychologists are conscientious people and look to create a better life for others that they come into contact with. Psychologists need to be interested in their work, have a love for their work and their patients, be able to work while seeing things from the other's point of view, and much more. I believe that these match my personality and interest, and this is why I'm majoring in psychology. Thank you.